So my current solution for the steam port hose, which is this guy basically needs to become the top of the cooling system, and that's just to let air out the heads. It probably would be better if there was one on the other side as well, but is what it is. So what I've done is I've used cable ties to tie it to the top radiator hose. It's got a nice little port on the radiator, so I don't see any reason to move it somewhere else. Some people suggest the top of the water pump on here, but I don't really want to drill a hole in it, and I think the top of the cooling system is better than not the top, if you know what I mean. So what we're going to do is 3D print a clump, or a few of them probably, and hold these two things together without cable ties. So this is what I've come up with. It's essentially 2 cylinders with a cube in the middle. The cylinders inside diameter is the outside diameter of the hoses, the radiator hose and the steam port hose. There's some triangulation to give it a bit of strength. A hole through the middle for an M5 hex screw and nut, and I've made an indentation on one end for the nut so that it's slightly more captive. Could glue that in actually, and there's some little tabs just to locate it, and my name on the side because why not. So that's them fitted. Quite happy with that. Could possibly do with one more, but I think that'll be fine. I could also improve the finish. I think maybe there's some settings on the printer I can use. I mean, I didn't really do much to them after printing, so all in all, I'm quite happy with that. The filament is PET G, so shouldn't melt. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, see how we go. Job done.